Hi, good morning. Today's topic of discussion is goods and service tax, that is GST. So GST is a business reform, and beyond just modification of the rate of tax, GST is changing the process of compliance, thereby resulting in a shift in the way business operates. With the concept of invoice matching, instead of filing summarized returns, you will need to submit the details of all your sales invoices once every month. Subsequently, you will need to then formally accept, reject or modify the automated purchase declarations against you, which will then combine to give you your returns. This urges every business to digitize their bookkeeping. India is a federal country where both the center and states have the powers to levy and collect taxes through appropriate legislation. They have distinct responsibilities to perform according to the powers described by the Constitution. Accordingly, the central can levy taxes on the manufacture of goods and rendering of services. The state can levy taxes on the sale of goods. So, as you already know that GST is a destination-based tax which was introduced by Shri Narendra Modi ji in all over India on 1st July 2017. Let us now create the company and set up GST details for Mukta Traders in Teleprint. So you can see that this is a Mukta Trader company created by me. Here, what we are going to do now, first we are going to press F11 company features, and first of all we are going to enable our GST over here. So you can see that as state is Karnataka. So state is coming by default over here because while creating the company as Mukta Traders, I selected the state as Karnataka. That's why in GST details also the state is coming the same Karnataka. Registration type will be remain same, that is regular, and GST applicable from 1st July 2023. And as you know, we are from Karnataka and we are the regular dealers. That's why every state has a 15-digit unique code, that is the GSTN number. So 29AAA1234A1 Z9 is a GSTN number of Mukta Traders, that is my company. And now the periodicity of GSTR1 will be monthly because the GSTR1 relates to sales. Again further I need to alter and set GST rate details. Here let's suppose I am dealing in computers, that is electronic devices. So here I need to add a description of computer over here, and the HSN code will be 84713010. Taxability remain taxable. Now I need to add an integrated tax, that is complete GST tax rate over here, that is 18%, and it will divided among central tax and state tax in 99%. Alright. So this way I have enabled my GST details. Now, first of all, you should know that there are two types of transactions happen under GST in sales and purchase. Those transactions are intrastate supply of goods and interstate supply of goods. First of all, we will discuss what is intrastate supply of goods. Intrastate supply is a transaction where the location of the supplier and the place of supply are the same. For example, Mukta Trader is a company registered in Karnataka. When Mukta Trader purchased from a supplier whose company is also registered in Karnataka, then the supply will be called as intrastate inward supply. So first of all, they have given me one example. The example says that on 1st July 2017, Mukta Trader purchased the following goods from Kaya Traders who are also from Karnataka with supply invoice number PUR/1 with central tax 9% and state tax 9%. So I just want to tell you one more thing, that in the case of intrastate transaction, only the central tax and state tax has been divided. The GST has been divided into two parts, central tax and state tax. I'll open my vouchers and this is my purchase voucher over here. I'll add the supply invoice number PUR/1 date is 1st July 2023. Here I'll create a Kaya Traders ledger, but I'll show you how I created this ledger. I created this ledger under sundry creditors. Then what I have done, I have added the GST number of Kaya traders who are also from Karnataka. So the GST number of the regular dealer Kaya traders is different. It doesn't mean that if two dealers are belongs to same state, then they have the same GST number. It doesn't mean that. All right. Then after creating this Kaya traders ledger, I have created purchase ledger, and now again I'll show you how I have created purchase ledger. Earlier I used to create a purchase ledger under purchase account group, that's it. But now I need to set and alter GST details for purchase ledger over here. I'll add computer, and HSN code will be 84713010, and now I need to mention over here the nature of transaction. So nature of transaction will be purchase taxable, and the rate will be 18%, and it will divided among central and state tax equally 99%. Then here I created a stock item computer. I'll also show you how I created this. I create the computer stock item under the group stock electronic device. And in order to create stock group, the shortcut key is same, that is Alt+C. Then I create units, and unit for creating the units, the shortcut keys remain same, that is Alt+C. And then I set and alter GST details. Here I also put the same details over here, like computer in the description, and HSN code in the HSN code description column. And here calculation type will always remain on value. And now I added integrated tax over here, which is divided among central and state tax in two parts, equal parts. This way I have created. Here I add a quantity 100 at the rate 10,000. So you can see that the assessable value comes out to be 10 lakh. Now I created two ledgers, central tax. I'll show you how I created this tax ledger. Central tax at the rate 9% will be created under duties and taxes. And duties and taxes is a current liability for our business. Type of duty I selected GST. Tax type I selected central tax. And percentage of calculation I mentioned over here 9%. And if you want to, if you wish, you don't want to show the percentage, you can skip this field. It's your choice. Next, again I create state tax ledger over here, and you can see that the tax has been calculated automatically. Alright, 90,000. 9% of 10 lakh is 90,000. So 90,000 central tax and 90,000 state tax has been calculated. So in total my purchase invoice value is 11,80,000. Alright, so this way this entry has been done. Alright. Okay. The next entry is intrastate outward supply, that is sales. So here I'll open my sales voucher. Now the question is, outward supply will constitute supply of goods and services of transaction of sale, transfer, barter, exchange, license, rental, lease and disposal of goods in the course of business. Issuing GST compliant invoices is very critical under GST for error-free return filing. Since Mukta Trader is a registered dealer, they need to record each sales transaction with all the required details for GST compliance and file invoice-wise return in the form of GSTR1. Let us now see how Mukta Traders record outward supplies using TelePrime. Here they are saying that on 2nd July 2023, Mukta Traders sold the following goods to Tara Traders of Karnataka, again with reference number 1/MT with central tax 9% and state tax 9%. Now, earlier Mukta Trader purchased 100 computers, but now out of 100 computers, they are selling 50 computers to another dealer of Karnataka named as Tara Traders. Now, they are selling 50 computers at the rate 11,000. So total accessible value is 5,50,000. Additional information they have given to me that Mukta Trader charges packing charges worth rupees 10,000 and they also allow 2% discount. So what I need to do here that I need to mention the reference number 1/MT. Date will be 2nd July. And party account name I need to create over here is Tara Traders under sundry debtor. And now I'll add a Tara Traders GST number. The GST number is 29RR1234R1Z9. Okay, and I need to alter this option, set and alter GST details, and here I need to do nothing to do over here. Okay, now I need to create a sales ledger over here just like purchase ledger. Okay, I need to set and alter GST details for sales ledger. I will add over here my product name computer. HSN code will be 001234. Nature of transaction will be now sales taxable because we are doing sales now, and the tax rate is 18% over here, and it is a goods type of supply. Here the computer stock item is already created by me. I don't need to create any duplicate stock item over here. The quantity is 50 at the rate 11,000. Now you can see that my accessible value is 5,50,000. The next step I need to do over here is I need to create 4 ledgers now. Here I'll create first of all packing charges. It will come under direct expense. Okay, wait a second. In packing charges ledger, I don't need to apply the GST. Okay, I need to disable this option, GST applicable option. Now they are giving me another option that include in accessible value calculation for. Now they are saying that first of all include the packing charges worth rupees 10,000 in accessible value of rupees 5,50,000. Then calculate GST. So then I select GST appropriate to goods. The method of calculation is based on quantity. So now you can see that I'll add 10,000 over here. Wait a second. I'll go back. Wait a second. Let me open company features, and what I need to do, I need to disable cost centers. Okay. Now again I'll do the same entry 1/MT Tara Traders sales ledger computer 50 at the rate 11,000 5,50,000. Now I created packing charges 10,000. Okay, so now the total of the amount column is 5,60,000. Now I will create another ledger of discount allowed. So discount allowed is an indirect expense. Okay, so here also what I need to do is I need to disable this option, not applicable, and here I need to include the discount over accessible value. First of all, I'll calculate discount over accessible value, then I calculate GST over the quantity. Here I'll add -2% because discount will be deducted out of MRP. So you can see that 5,50,000, 2% of 5,50,000 is only 11,000. So that means that the software has not taken 10,000 into consideration while calculating discount because 10,000 belongs to packing charges. Alright, now in this case I'll add central tax. So you can see that central tax has been calculated out of how much. I'll show you. I'll open my calculator. I'll add 5,50,000 plus 10,000 enter, it comes out to 5,60,000. Now again 5,60,000 minus 11,000, it comes out to 5,49,000. Now I'll calculate 9% central tax of 5,49,000. 5,49,000 into 9%, it comes out to be 49,410. So you can see that this tax rate and this tax rate is equal. Alright, I'll close my calculator. Now again I'll calculate state tax, so it comes out to be equal, just like central tax. So this way I did my sales entry, that is intrastate sales. Here I'll add 1/empty. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this transaction. So I'll get back to you with next topics in new video. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.